Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a little experiment for you. And last week I got the brush and pencil colored pencil blending powder in. And I thought it was fantastic. It was like, what is this fairy powder? And I demonstrated it for you. Now, you're supposed to be using it on basically sanded paper, I guess because it holds on to the powder. And what you do is you put a little bit down and you see if I find a clean Q-tip. And you brush it on. Okay? Then you take a pencil over the powder and you can go color right over it. And then you take a little bit more. You make a sandwich out of it. And you blend. And this works really nice. It does blend up the pencil really nice. Okay? That started me thinking, why does it work? Well, it's creating a slippery boundary between the paper and the pencil. Smooth glide with the pencil. Then you put another layer over it and you kind of make it a sandwich and you blend. So I said, what the heck? Took a little baby powder. I sprinkled it on. Definitely smoother feel than that. So I was like, oh, my little experiment's not going to work because I have a definite two different feels. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to do the exact same thing, same pencil. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit on. Take a clean Q-tip. And do the same thing. Okay. Take my pencil, go over it again. Put a little bit more on. For another layer. Pretty smooth. Brush it off. I ain't gonna say nothing. And I will see you guys in my next video.